So this is day one of me paying my friends and asking them to get me dinner because I don't know what to eat and I don't know. Yeah, I'm just so indecisive every single day because this is a new place. There's just too many options compared to when I was in Bandung, because in Bandung there were not a lot of options that I would choose from, so I just stuck to the same menu almost every day. However, here there's just way too many that I don't even know which shop to choose or what type of food I want to eat daily. So it's kind of fun to see what my friends would pick for me. So the friend that bought me food for day one is Rubendran, and he chose Subway, which I really like Subway, but I haven't really tried a lot of menu on Subway. I've always stuck to the same safe menu. So I'm gonna see what he got me. He got me hot mocha, which I have never tried from Subway. I've only had their Minute Maid, nothing else. And then 2 Subway cookies, which I was actually craving for. Bonus points for you, Ruben. And the sandwich. Not sure what flavor this is, but I love Subway, so either ways I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy this entire meal, I'm very sure. Plus, he also said that this meal was 50% off on Grab Food, so we all love a good deal. And another bonus point for you, Ruben, because you saved my money. And yeah. So for day 2 of my friends getting me my dinner is from Leela. This one was such a struggle. It's just day 2, but it's already getting complicated because the Grab driver went to a different location. Although the location was pretty clear enough, maybe his Waze or Google Maps sent him to a different place, and then he had to find back where I was, and I couldn't call him and he couldn't call me, so it was very confusing. But the good news is that the food reached safely, and that's what's important. So Leela got me this chili pan mee or chili pan mee, not sure how to pronounce it, and also jus kedondong. And I don't know what the name is in English, but this is kind of like a sour fruit juice. Also, fun fact, this is one of my favorite drinks as well, so smart choice, Leela. You didn't know this, but yeah. It's day 3 and it's Mavisha's turn, so she got me dinner from Old Town White Coffee. So something surprising about today is that the driver reached the fastest among the other 2 days that I ordered, or among the other days that I've ever ordered from Foodpanda or even Grab Food. It's even raining outside. He asked permission to come a little late, but he still managed to reach earlier than the rest of my orders before this. So thumbs up for the driver, good customer service. So Mavi got me wonton mee from Old Town White Coffee, or what you would call it as mee ketchup, I think, but I prefer calling it wonton mee. I'm not sure if she knew, but wonton mee is actually my favorite Chinese food of all time. I've been eating it ever since I was like a small girl, and I'm gonna continue eating it until I grow old. So this is such a comforting food. Thanks, Maisha. 1 thumbs up for you. Today is day 4 and it's my friend Dinesh's turn. So he kind of got me a huge portion of food. Actually, I'm kind of shocked right now, but I'm kind of excited to eat as well. So he got me nasi kerabu. The chicken is huge. I'm not sure if it's just me who's like forgotten how big of a portion Malaysian food is, or if this portion is actually big. And Godzilla Milo, oh my god, I love Milo so much. I've never tried Godzilla Milo before. Not sure if I can finish all of this, but I'll try my best. Like, I know that all of you are trying to make me gain weight again, but you guys are going crazy. Thanks, Dinesh. I'll let you know how it tastes in a while. I'm very sure it's gonna taste good. I think the last time I had nasi kerabu was back in Matrix, so this is gonna be nostalgic. So it's day 5 and the last day of this mini challenge thing that I did with my close friends. Today is Pavi's turn and the food is here. So Pavi got me nasi lemak. This is from a shop called Mommy's Cook, I think. Yeah, Mommy's Cook, with chicken rendang or chicken curry and some random drink here. I'm not sure if this is soya or milk. I won't know until I try it. So that's that. I mean, you can never go wrong with the nasi lemak. and a Milo Ice, of course. I mean, Milo Ice is just my all-time drink, but I had Milo Ice 2 days straight, so it's nice to have a change. And chicken rendang, the classic Malaysian food. So I actually told Pavi that I ate quite early. I had an early lunch at about 10 o'clock in the morning, which I don't know if you can consider it as a lunch or not. So I'll definitely be hungry early for dinner. And she got me a very heavy food. So thanks, Pavi. I only did this thing for 5 days because my schedule is so unpredictable, and even this 5 days was not done like in a row. There were gaps, like a few days gaps, and between two people there was also almost a week of gap. So yeah, I can't imagine if I did this for a month, I might only complete this challenge like maybe 3 to 4 months later. And today I do feel grateful that I did this only for 5 days, because all of my best friends are trying to make me gain weight. The amount of food that they get me, the portion, my god. Good job, guys. I'm sure I gained weight already. So yeah, that's it. I'm thinking if I should do a bonus round with my family, like my family getting me my dinner for tomorrow maybe. Should I? I mean, if I did that, then you'll be seeing it right now. So this mini challenge was supposed to end on day 5, but we have a bonus day, the only bonus day, and the participant is none other than my brother, Rahul, and the food that he ordered arrived. We'll see that. I'll eat and then I'll close this video. So he got me Chinese food and it's glass noodles. Not sure in what style is this. Maybe fried glass noodles. And here are some, I think this is like pickled turnips or carrots, I think, and kimchi and some soup. It's really hot right now, but I do need this because it's been raining like all day since the morning, so some heat is good for my body. So we've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much to all of my close friends for participating and volunteering in this challenge. This challenge was really fun for me because I like surprises, and at the same time I liked the suspense of waiting for my food, not knowing what is gonna arrive. And at the same time, congratulations for not getting me anything that I didn't like, and all of you surprisingly got me something that I'd actually buy if I go out to eat on my own, or if I were to choose my food on my own. So you've proven yourself to be my close friend. So for the rest, thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting in some way. That's it. Bye.